Okay guys, Tasha Malashan here, part 2, same week, week 3, and mission 5. So what I did is I finished not only my sales page, I had to adjust it, and I completed my order form page. So as a quick refresher, I added my logo, added my email. I did nothing with this form. It's set up the way that it's supposed to. The only thing that I changed was I took out or hid the upsell button. That's when you have an option to say for an extra $5, would you like to add this? And so what I did is I updated the money back guarantee. I want a reason why they need their money back so I can make my product better. And of course, encryption, so your payment is safe going through the funnel. And uh, here's what you'll get, and just a list of everything that they're getting from the original sales page. Then once they type in all their information, they're going to go to the OTO page where I had to stop the video before so I can make my thank you page, which looks like this, if this will show. There we go. It's the end here, just saying, hey, this is what you're getting. So I recorded that, and then I uploaded it to YouTube, and then if you want to know how I did that, go to settings, the video type, it's YouTube. You can use Vimeo, Wistia, Easy Video Suite, never heard of that, or HTML5 video. So I used the YouTube. I copied and pasted my YouTube link. I put on autoplay. I left all the controls on. I blocked the pause. And I pretty much just left everything alone. And I think this, oh, click to join session in progress. Okay, so oh, it only works with block pause. Okay, so sometimes when you opt into something, you see a video and it says click to join session in process. That's what this is. That's where they got it from. And then when you click the play button, the video plays. So I named my title thank you, because that's what it is. It's a thank you video. And I said, don't miss this amazing offer. How would you like to see a walkthrough training video on how I got you through this funnel? I mean, what a hook, right? So I was like, wow, okay, that'd be great. And then again, I did kind of a guilt trip. Uh, no thanks if they decided they didn't want to uh, add this offer to their order. It says no thanks. I don't want to learn how to build converting funnels that will make me money over and over again by looking over your shoulder. So then I tell them this is what they're going to get, which is a video walkthrough of the One Funnel Away Challenge. And I went to a website that I was able to use my screenshot of me teaching you what I'm doing, and I was able to put it into this image here. And then I list everything that you're going to learn in this video that I'm teaching you right now. And then I offer the free funnel. When you take the One Funnel Away Challenge, you're going to need ClickFunnels. So I believe, in case I didn't set this up right, I'm just putting it here for now because I still have a lot more training to go through. This here might not even be necessary because it might just take them to the One Funnel Away Challenge, and then they'll probably have all those other links that I will still get commissions for, because again, I'm an affiliate and I'm promoting the One Funnel Away Challenge, but I've created my own offers that coincide with the One Funnel Away Challenge. So in fact, what I'm really doing for you guys is giving you multiple head starts when you do decide to join. So here it is, yes, added to my order, final call to action, and I just copy and pasted the same no thanks on here. And I finally updated my footer, and I was able to copy and paste this exact footer, all of this here, onto all my other pages. And how you do that is you highlight the entire section. What I did wrong was I saved the row and the column, which I didn't want to do. I wanted to save the whole thing, which is my section. So all you do is you click on save, you name it, and then whenever you go on to another page, like this, if this is completely different, then all I do is delete it, and then add new section, go up here, add section, and then boom, my section. And I just called it use me, and then what you do is you just drag it all the way down. See that right there? And then it builds a section, and then boom, I don't have to retype all this information on all of my footers, which is a relief. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that because I don't need it. And then I'm going to save. And then it's also brought to my attention that this background is the One Phone Away challenges background image. I don't really want that, so let's see if I can, on the off the cuff, show you how to change the background. So, oh, this is still saving. So let's see. Not sure where I'm supposed to go. Ah, here we go. Background. So as you can see, they have the background as an image. And the video is off. If I just want a background color, it's white. It's not changing. Okay, so let's just put my, see what happens if I add my image. What will that look like? All black. All right, all right. Oh, I see that is center. Let's see if I can change that. Full center fit. What happens if I do no repeat? What does that do? Ah, okay. If I do a repeat, that shouldn't be too bad. I might change it, but here it is. That's how you change the background. All right, so I may or may not keep that, but for now, let me save it. Always remember to save your work. And that's it, guys. Tomorrow is a Saturday, and they are not giving us a break, so be prepared. Week 3, you're working Monday through Saturday, possibly. I have no idea if we're resting on Sunday or not. But anyway, tomorrow we're working on our membership site, which is the, oops, give you a sneak peek at what that looks like. Okay, here's the opt-in page. The very first thing that you see when you go through my funnel is I'm giving you something for free for value, and I'm just telling you what a sales funnel is, how each business can, or what businesses can use a funnel, all of them, by the way. Okay, so here we go. Here's the member login, and this is where all the stuff that they purchased are going to be in this membership section for them. So that is what we're doing apparently. So you don't just get an email and you click it and you have access to it, to that individually. I didn't realize they were going to create a membership site, so that's pretty interesting. So that's a typical login page. I won't even blow that up, but let's look at the member area so you'll get an idea of what I'm talking about here. Uh-oh. That work? Nope, that's going to get me to the order form. Doggone it. There we go. Member area access. I've had this computer on all day. I've got a lot of stuff going on here. Okay, here we go. So here's the member access area. We got our login. It's making so far. I'm going to be dropping them in here. And it looks like I might also be adding other stuff. I could add a new lesson. Now it's interesting that they say lesson. So I'm wondering if the case studies that I made, in Word, if that's going to be in there as well, because it's a reading. So I'm not sure how that's going to work, but that question will be answered sometime next week. So that's just a sneak peek of what the members area looks like. And yeah, that's it. So we are almost done with this funnel, and next week we're going to hit the finish line by talking about traffic, how to get it to our funnels and keep it automated so that we can bring in all this good money and we're providing value in this at the same time so everybody wins. And all right, so I will see you tomorrow for our members area training. All right, have a good one, guys. Okay, guys, Tasha McGlashan here, part 2, same week, week 3, and mission 5. So what I did is I finished, not